It is really just too beautiful to not film outside. So, welcome to my pergola. I'm going to make this intro really, really short. You all have asked countless times for information about my hair and the hair products that I use. So, let us just dive right in. This one is going to be a long one. Really quick housekeeping. I wear extensions. I have for years. I have invisible bead extensions. I get 22-inch extensions, and then we just like cut appropriately. A lot of you have also asked for my hair color. So I just gloss my hair. I never do any permanent dye, but I had my hairstylist, Rochelle, write up my formula. So I'm going to paste it on the screen now for you. Keep in mind, my hair is about this color, maybe about a shade lighter, and then this just fades naturally to my more natural color. I let my grays go, as you all know, in my thoughts on aging video that I made. I'm letting the tinsel shine, but yeah, wanted to start there with some housekeeping. I have made one video on how I curl my hair. Not much has changed. The only thing that's different from that video is my 1.25 inch barrel broke. So now I'm just using a 1 inch Hot Tools, but the technique and everything has stayed the same. Okay, let's dig into the products. Starting out with shampoo and conditioner, this is the tried and true. This is what I would recommend to kind of pretty much everybody. This is the Pureology Hydrate line. It's in the purple bottle. It's not a purple shampoo, just a purple bottle. I love it. I have no notes. That's what you should get. That's what you should take away from this video. The other shampoo that I've been recently introducing into my routine is the Bumble and Bumble Sunday shampoo. My hairstylist, Rochelle, told me once a week or once every other week I should do a clarifying treatment because, as you all know, I never wash my hair. I use a lot of dry shampoo. And so this would be a good idea for me to cleanse that out. So we've covered shampoo, we've covered conditioner. Let's get into products. The first thing that I do after showering, washing my hair, and brushing it out. So there's a couple standout products that I use when my hair is wet after I have brushed it out. And when I say brush, I'm using a wet brush. I go in with some sort of serum or leave-in treatment. I have this one from Oribe. This is the Hair Alchemy Fortifying Treatment Serum. This also can act as a heat protectant. I like this. I really like the scent. It's a touch heavy for my hair, so I use that kind of sparingly. But I've recently been using the Roz Milk Hair Serum. I love this. This is light enough for my hair that it's not feeling weighed down, so very good. And then I tend to mix in a few drops of hair oil. So I have this K18 molecular repair hair oil. Really like that. No notes. I just use, I think, maybe 2 to 3 drops max. And then same with the Roz. I really like this. This is the Santa Lucia styling oil. The smell of this is unbelievable. Same thing, 2 to 3 drops of that. Mix those together in a little hair cocktail and then push that through my damp hair from mid shaft down to the bottom. Now, because I have quite long hair, albeit not mine, my hair takes a long time to dry. If I was to sit there with a hair dryer, it really takes a long time. So I like to let my hair air dry till it's about 80 to 90% of the way there, and then I will go in with a blow dryer. So I have been using this pretty recently, but I really, really like it. This is the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. Gives a little bit of volume at the root, but also is a heat protectant. So this is a winner for me. Now that our hair is dry, it is time to do the infamous curls. I am never without my curls. And I have been also recently introducing this into my routine. This is the Amika The Shield Anti-Humidity Spray, also a heat protectant. Very nice, very light, doesn't weigh my hair down. As well as the Moroccan Oil Luminous Hairspray. This is in the medium finish, medium to, is it hard or heavy? Strong. Any of the Moroccan Oil hairsprays are really good. They brush out really nice because you all know I curl my hair and then I brush it out. It's very good. The other thing I wanted to add, I should have included this earlier, is I like to use dry shampoo when my hair is clean. I know that sounds kind of backwards, but for me, I feel like putting it in once my hair is blow dried The dry shampoo kind of locks that in and prevents the oil to can't speak. It prevents the oil from coming through. This is also new to me, but I'm really liking it. This is the K18 Air Wash Dry Shampoo. This is wet. It comes out watery. It does like I have gotten some on my forehead. There is like some white speckling, so it kind of dries down to have a little bit of a white cast, but not much. But I really like this. When I'm not using this, I'm using the Kristen S Brunette dry shampoo, specifically the Brunette, because it doesn't leave as bad of a cast. There's still a cast because my hair is a little bit darker than the Brunette dye. It's not dye, but coloring. But I think this one might take the cake. This is quite pricey, but I am understanding why it is. It is really, really good. Okay, I actually think we're doing a lot better than I thought on time. For in between hair wash days, this is new to me. Per Caroline and Kelly's recommendation, this is the Kerastase 8-hour Magic Night Serum, plant-based proteins, and niacinamide. So, from my understanding with this product, you are not meant to use this every single day. This can add too much protein to the hair. So, I've been using this about every two, or I've been using this about 2 to 3 times per week. And then I'm almost out of this. This is the IGK Antisocial Time Release Bond Building Dry Mask. This comes out almost like a hairspray, but it is a bond building mask. So I will use this on my dry hair in between washes. And then when the hair is getting really, really gross, that's kind of when I just start lathering it with these serums, these oils, and I'm slicking it back in a bun, to which I sometimes use this day. I think this is the cactus. Yeah, cactus fruit 3-in-1 styling cream. I use that, smooth it out with a boar bristle brush, and we're on our way. I would be remiss to not mention that I have 2 hair masks. The first one is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I use this once every other week, I would say. But my hairstylist, Rochelle, told me on the days that I'm using my clarifying shampoo, I should also be following it up with the hair mask. And then I also have received this one from Maine. I haven't used it yet, but I'm excited to try. This is the Hydration Hugs Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask. So I'm just going to keep that in here. And then I'll just also answer this or add in this. I have this Way leave-in conditioner. I've never used this, but got it in a kit or as like a free gift from Sephora, something like that. And I'm excited to try it out. Bygone girls, I think we did it. If you have any questions, let me know. I think the key thing here is to remember that I have hair extensions. Okay. I have hair extensions. I can't say that enough. When you're looking at somebody, she's got long, luscious hair. I'm not saying that everybody's wearing hair extensions, but like keep that in mind. A lot of people are. So I will leave you all there. If you have any questions, I am here and we'll chat with y'all soon. Bye.